To replace the receiver dryer, I've already pulled the battery out. This is where the battery was. And you pull out 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. They're 12 millimeter head size. And then I'll show you the rest. Also, what you're going to want to do is you have this fill tube that you have to remove from this bottle here. And then this whole tray lifts out with the bottle. And also, as you're pulling it out, I didn't get this on the video, but this little bracket right here hooks over the edge of that plate I just pulled out. So you have to push it off of that. And then, right here is your receiver dryer. We're going to remove that nut, and there's a strap all the way around it. We'll have to loosen that strap off so it'll come out.